Alright guys, this video is a very exciting video for me. It's going to cover my first ever drift event. It's Vic Drift Skills. When I was coming up to the event, I was trying to look at a lot of videos on YouTube and stuff to see what it was going to be like. But they didn't really have any. There was probably like one dedicated video for it. There was a lot of Vic Drift practice day videos, but none of this, which is more for your beginners and people that are doing it for the first time. So it was pretty intimidating coming into it, and I was hoping to see some videos on YouTube to see what it was like and see what the experience was and see if it really was that intimidating. But there wasn't much around, so I thought I'd make my own video, see what, so people could see what it's like. If anyone else is coming into the same situation that I was, they can literally just look it up, see what it was like. It was a super chilled out day, way more chilled out than I thought it was going to be. Everyone was super nice. The blokes at Vic Drift help you heaps with whatever you need, and there's all different kind of drivers there as well, which can they all have their own little tips and tricks for each car and for each person. So hopefully you enjoy the video.
Just feel like your first lap out, maybe even the first lap or two, just drive the course like
Yeah.
sort of like a cycling lap,
Yeah, that's what I was
and just get a feel for which way the corners are going and where everything's positioned,
Yeah.
and then go for it. It'll give you a good idea of where to aim for
Yeah,
the
straight.
drift lap.
Perfect, thanks man.
Cool.